Yo, yo, yo! We're back again with another YouTube vlog, and today, ito yung comeback vlog natin, no? So, diretso team training, recap na agad ng 2025 season. Kasi kasama natin yung buong Team Suave, and we're here at KSYN Fitness Del Monte. So, one of the best gyms here in the Metro. Quality equipment. Makikita nyo mga lighting, gabi, morning, kahit medyo siya, high class kumbaga. So kung gusto niyo yung parang environment na medyo, alam mo yun, gym vibes talaga, yung gym rat vibes. Give this place a visit, you'll never get it. Yung training namin, na rin, parang Christmas party or Christmas gathering natin. And na lang din, to cap the year off since medyo, tayo, we're blessed for everything that happened in 2025, and gusto lang namin batiin yung 2026 ng isang malupitang buhat. So, yun. Mamaya mag-games tayo, no? Since tayo, gathering naman to. Tsaka, tayo, may gift for athletes from Athlete Nutrition. May games tayo na lalaroin mamaya. Abangan nyo na lang yun. Then, before anything else, tawagin muna natin yung buong team. Mods. Yun. Yes. BTS. Yun. Let's go. Wow. Yun. Rampa. Yo, buhat. Let's go. So ngayon medyo off program kami lahat. Kasi gathering naman. So enjoy lang natin. Balik natin yung mga gym vibes na pang malupitan. Classic gym vibes, diba? So lahat off program kami. Start namin with dumbbell incline. Tapos matagal na yung iba sa amin hindi nakapag-dumbbell. Yung iba meron naman, pero ano lang tayo ngayon. For the love of the game. Yun.
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal.
Tanggalin ko to? Up! Yeah. Easy, boy. Up! Hey. One more. Up! Up! All you. Yeah, all you, boy. Up! Up! One more. Up! 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 Nice. Yep.
I don't think I'm chosen to be the king of rock. Think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock. I'm in motion, so now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Sir. 3 more. 3 IR. Sagat tayo dito, Ay, wait! Easy. All you got. Go. All you, bro. Up! Oh, you. Push! Push! One more. Up! 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 na, gago.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Don't care what
yeah.
they all say. That's right. I'ma do
Oh.
this thing my way. Let's go. Been grinding hard on it
Oh.
all day. We work hard, yeah, we don't play. Yeah. I'm addicted to the grind, man. So I refuse to waste time, man.
Kaya pa.
One day it all will be fine, man. Let's go. Gotta commit to it. You know I'm back with the kid and
One more, one more, one more, one more. One more. Give me one more. Ganda, ganda. Diba? Sayang yun. Let's go.
While you sitting there complaining, I'll be training. While
Oh,
you sitting there
easy.
waiting, I'm creating.
Up!
Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable.
Up! Up! Up!
Ready to go, man, lock and load.
Up! Oh boy! Up!
I swear to
Goods,
God
goods.
that I can drop you, bro.
Up! 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 Nice! Good. Easy. Oh yeah. Sir.
You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy.
Oh,
Call it
you.
coming in, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an inch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top of the ceiling. They can all try that you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goals. Myself to the brim, no limit. Doing what it takes to be free, committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it. But that's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Gotta give it instinct and it's just the beginning. Breaking down walls when the hurt start thinning. And the more you push it, I start tripping too. You're the only one standing up straight, winning all.
Never sit still. It's time to stand up. Time to take the red pill.
Approach natin kasi kadalasan sa programming namin, yan, may mga rep range, may parang structured siya talaga. Pero in terms of mga moments like this na, yan, katuwa, enjoy sa gym, kahit mag-off program ka, yung number one na hahabulin mo dyan, hindi yung, ano talaga, hindi yung mismong structure ng buhat, mismong structure ng program, yung intensity. Kahit pa sabihin natin na, pero hindi naman palagi, sabihin natin mga yan, once in a while, mga ganito, mag-off program ka para at least ang masaya, di ba? Yung energy ng gym, ganyan, yung intensity lang habulin natin dyan. Wala tayong yung yung mga reps in reserve, ganito, ganyan, or like ilang rep range mo. Importante, nag-enjoy tayo, sinasagad yung sarili natin. Kasi yung stimulus, yun naman yung habol natin eh. So, yun. Wala dito. Isa pa, isa pa.
Never sit still. It's time to stand up. Time to take the red pill. To make this whole world gonna go on this hill. Be ready to fight. Be ready to
Easy, boy! Yung nakapikit nga. Oh. Up! Yeah, one more. Up! Up! Yes, sir! Up, boy! Up!
It's all there for the taking. You just gotta wanna keep chasing it. Get through everything you're facing. Rush starts racing. Get through all the things you hate in. Don't let the others in charge of your dreams. They just don't know what it takes to be seen. You see the shit take control of your team. And if you're alone, then a one-man army. So you better be starving. And you better be carving. Through the hate, keep marching. And every day keep charging ahead till you get what you want, what you dream. Regret is a thing of the past, and you'll see that you always had it inside. It's the key to make the most of this life believe.
No, we never sit still. It's time to stand up. Time to take the red pill. To make this whole world gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight. Be ready to kill. We never give up. No, we never sit still. It's time to stand up. Time to take the red pill. To make this whole world gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight. Be ready to
Let's get it! Okay yan. Kasi ubus ka na pag pag mag-breathe ka or like yung bracing mo dapat sa hardest part ng lift. For example, dito sa bench press, yung hardest part ng lift sa baba. So, pababa pa lang, doon ka na huminga. Tapos pag dito sa baba, para at least nakakonserve yung oxygen mo. Pagdating sa pressing, buo ka. Hindi yung parang paubos ka na. Para ATP stores mo, replenish. Ano yun? Para at least maganda yung natin. O sige! Let's go! Padami kung sino yung timbang nila times 1.5, yun yung total weight na bubuhatin nila. Tapos, pinakamadaming reps na magawa. Tapos BCAA, yun yung first prize natin. Sino ba? Ikaw! Ha? Bawal daw siya, bawal. Sige, wala akong yung kaya. Bale siya, 77 kilos. So, around 115 yung niya, yung total weight. Pero matapang daw siya, plus 5 kilos. Kaya palag. Kaya bilangin natin ha. Clean reps ha. 1, 2, 6. Oy, wala yun. 7 lang, 7. Oy, gago ka. Tingnan mo pa ako.
Madaya ka po
Madaya? 7 reps kay Daniel. Kasing timbang ni Daniel.
78.
Ha? Si around 77. Ikaw? Ako eh. Aray ko. 88.
88 times 1.5
Times 1.5.
plus 5
132.
plus 5.
120 pa lang to.
Oh, plus 15.
Ha?
Plus 15.
Oh, gago.
5 kg oh.
Ano lang, 5.
Plus 5 kg ako eh.
7.5 plus 7. 7.5 plus 7.5.
Hindi ah.
Parang plus 15 nga.
135. Sakto plus 5 kg.
Kasi 120 yan.
120 plus 5. 125.
Oh.
130 plus 2.5.
2.5. Yun na, 7.5 each.
Oh, 7.5 kg.
Sige, 7.5 each. Magiging mathematician namin dito. Gago, bilangan nyo ha. PR to, gagi. Saan 2.5? 7 siya niya. Tingnan natin.
Puta ina, bigat.
Huwag ka tumawa. Reset.
Let's go! Nothing!
Ubus na ako.
Baka siya 20. Tayo naubos na ako kanina sa
Isa pa.
Wala. Talo. Sina? Up! Nice one, Jess! Up! Top 2. Isang passion fruit tsaka strawberry na BCA. Top 2. Oy, ilang timbang mo? 69. Up! Up! Oy! Ilan yun? Uy, teka. Ayusin mo muna set mo. Sino top 2 natin ngayon? 3. Ilan na? 4. 6. Up! Sabay pa. Slowly. Yes, sir. Nice. Let's go. Sina, si Miles. Up! Warm up. Hinga. Nice. Good.
Let's go.
Okay.
6.
Diba?
Last.
Up! Easy! Yun! One more.
Last one.
Push! Yes, sir! Slowly. Nice. Ilan yan? Yun, Atlin. Ay, gago ka! Cancel. Let's go! Yeah. Sino sunod set?
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the line and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching. It's shocking, dropping these top 10 songs, so stop it. It's time to live my life. It's time to live my life.
Up. Finish.
Mercy. Long distance, short distance. Easy.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will work when I'm on it. Never profit. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Dark, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Pop it, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Easy.
Have my back to the moon. Not in
Yo.
that, that's a fact. We attack in a back. No react. Think I'm black up his neck. While I rap, down the step. Throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a bomb till I die. Never die.
So, ayun, tapos na kami magbuhat and enjoy naman natin yung session natin with the team. So, ngayon, more on celebration na, no? Before tayo kumain, games muna tayo, games. So, may nakahanda kaming 3 games dito, 3 games. Bali yung prizes natin from Athlete Nutrition. So, yun, may natitira dito, 2 creatine at saka 2 isolate. This game natin would be charades. So, this is a paired game. Bale, yun. So, yung agenda natin ngayon, parang yung genre natin is more on bodybuilding. Local, international, sila bahala kung paano nila i-guess yun. So, siguro, pwede nila, for example, CBAM. Gamitin nila yung favorite post ni CBAM, ganito, ganyan. So, sila na bahala kung paano nila i-manage yung nila. Kasi ito, paired to. Then, first prize natin would be 1 isolate tsaka 1 creatine for the pair. Sila na bahala kung ano yung gusto nila. So, yun. Group yourselves into 2. Si Miles. So, ito muna. Trial. Timer starts now.
Legs, bro. Classic. Bodybuilding. Ronnie Coleman.
Oy, huwag kami salita.
Legs. Bodybuilding.
20 seconds.
Philippines.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala na.
Ako, pero may sagot ako.
Ito lang sila. Si Granteng. 3, 2, 1, start.
Men's physique. Philippines. Joven.
Yan! Tama. Best of 3 to, ha? I mean, first to reach 3. First to 3. Race to 3.
G.
Race to 3 to, ha? Second round, Kyle tsaka si Ramses.
G.
Sino? Start.
Kailan ako to? Men's physique.
Oh.
Singkit. Kasayan, kaya nanaw ka.
Yun, tama. Pinig. Wala na. Sino gusto mag-steal? Sino ba?
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy. I don't get it, haven't hit it already. Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching. Finally turning something cold.
Pinamalapit sa 33.
Talking shit, don't get caught.
Serving yun eh.
Eh, binilang na lang.
Uy! Uy! Kang pinasakto. Oh, gago si Rata. Teka. Pinakamalapit sa... Oo. Pinakamalapit sa 25.
Uy.
Sige ka? Palag na yan? Oy! Goy! Gago! Di na.
I got promises, you ain't stopping.
13.6 ka? Gago kayo na naman.
This, I will not quit, man, I'm on it. I'm gonna launch quick. This is just
Yun yung ganap natin today, no? So, kakakain na kami. Tingnan mo naman yung kinain ni Mads. So, ice cream. Ilan yun? Paramihan ng ice cream eh. Oo, di ba? Tapos masag pa rin, di ba? Kargado talaga yan.
Babawi bukas yan doon.
Ha? Go. Good vibes lang palagi. So, abangan niyo yung mga susunod na vlogs. Medyo, magiging active na kami as a group. So, yun, mga maraming insights, prep, bodybuilding, lifestyle, kahit ano. Stay tuned sa mga susunod na mga vlogs natin. And stay suave and happy holidays.
I'm the hardest, dark, bitch, watching. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch, poppin', spittin'